Need to uninstall or reinstall Windows 11 Media Player because it's not working, crashing, or missing features? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove and reinstall the modern Media Player app in Windows 11 so you can restore full functionality or fix playback issues.
First, open the Start menu, open your settings, open Apps, open the Installed Apps section, locate Media Player. Click on the three dots to open the Media Player options. Click on Advanced Options. First, press Uninstall. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download Media Player again. Search for Media Player. Click on Media Player. Press Get. Wait for Media Player to be downloaded and installed. Now open Media Player.